Greetings, fellow content creators. Have you ever found yourself yearning to unlock the potential of YouTube monetization without stepping in front of the camera? Well, today, I'm about to unveil the strategies that have turned my faceless YouTube channel into a thriving source of income. In this comprehensive guide, I'll walk you through how I harnessed the extraordinary capabilities of artificial intelligence to elevate my content creation game. YouTube, a platform that celebrates individual expression and passion sharing. But what if the idea of appearing on camera gives you pause? Does that mean your YouTube dreams are out of reach? Absolutely not. Like many of you, the thought of being on camera initially hindered my journey to creating a successful YouTube channel. That's when I stumbled upon the transformative power of AI technology. Recent advancements in artificial intelligence have paved the way for creating compelling content without ever revealing your face. Regardless of your niche, whether it's gaming, vlogging, or educational content, AI can be a game changer for your faceless YouTube channel. So how did I embark on the journey to monetize my faceless YouTube channel with AI? It all starts with finding the right tools. One standout AI tool in this domain is VEEDIO. With VEEDIO, I could effortlessly enhance my videos by adding subtitles, captions, and even customizing text fonts to align with my channel's aesthetic. VEEDIO proves to be incredibly user-friendly and intuitive, making it an ideal choice, even for those just starting. The icing on the cake? Its seamless integration with popular video editing software, empowering creators to craft stunning videos without ever having to reveal their face. Leveraging AI technology allowed me to create engaging, informative videos that resonated with millions of viewers. With VEEDIO's AI-powered editing features, I could enhance my videos, incorporate animated graphics, and even generate captivating thumbnails that lured people to click. It truly revolutionized my content creation process. As my viewership and subscriber base burgeoned, I began monetizing my channel through sponsored videos, affiliate marketing, and even selling my merchandise. With a faceless YouTube channel, AI became my indispensable ally, enabling me to cultivate a sustainable income stream doing what I love. If the thought of starting a YouTube channel has been stifled by the reluctance to show your face, let that hesitation dissolve. Embrace the power of AI and platforms like VEEDIO to craft compelling, monetizable content that will captivate the attention of millions. Now let's delve deeper into the AI tools that have proven to be the backbone of my faceless YouTube channel success. While VEEDIO is fantastic for video editing and enhancement, other tools can amplify your content creation journey. Consider incorporating tools like Descript for automatic transcription and voice cloning, enabling you to narrate your videos without ever speaking on camera. This opens up a plethora of opportunities for engaging voiceovers, tutorials, and narrated content. Descript's intuitive interface and powerful features allow you to edit audio as easily as you edit text, ensuring seamless integration into your video creation workflow. Another indispensable tool in my arsenal is RunwayL, which empowers creators to integrate machine learning models into their videos. Imagine enhancing your content with dynamically generated elements, or even utilizing deepfake technology for creative storytelling. With RunwayL, you can explore the endless possibilities of AI-generated content, transforming your videos into captivating experiences that resonate with your audience. Crafting engaging content goes beyond video editing. AI can be a valuable asset in planning your content strategy. Tools like ContentBot.ai analyze trends, audience behavior, and keywords to suggest topics that resonate with your target audience. By leveraging AI for content planning, you can stay ahead of the curve, delivering the content your viewers crave without ever having to showcase your face. Thumbnails play a crucial role in attracting clicks. AI-driven thumbnail generators, such as Thumbnail Blaster, use algorithms to analyze the most clickable elements and colors, ensuring your thumbnails stand out in a crowded landscape. With Thumbnail Blaster, you can create eye-catching thumbnails that entice viewers, increasing the likelihood of your videos being discovered and watched. In conclusion, the possibilities AI offers for faceless YouTube channels are boundless. From video editing with VED.io to AI-driven voiceovers with Descript, creative enhancements with Runway Null, strategic content planning with ContentBot.ai, and attention-grabbing thumbnails with Thumbnail Blaster AI can revolutionize your content creation journey. Always remember, the world is at your fingertips, and AI is your secret weapon. Venture forth, create extraordinary videos, and commence monetizing your faceless YouTube channel today.